Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Toys. Today we'll be making surprise toys with Play-Doh and eggs. First, let's grab a Play-Doh popsicle. Here's the yellow Play-Doh popsicle. Now, let's look for the egg with the matching color. Here it is. Now let's put the yellow Play-Doh inside the yellow egg. Nice! Are you ready for some surprise toys? Awesome! Here's our first surprise toy. Cool! It's Charlie from My Little Pony. Our next surprise toy is a Scooby-Doo MashEms. Nice! Let's grab our next Play-Doh popsicle. Here's the blue Play-Doh popsicle. Let's find the matching egg. And here it is. Next, let's put the blue Play-Doh into the blue egg. I can't wait for more surprise toys. Awesome! Let's check out what we got. We got two new surprise toys. The first one is a Nick Wilde Disney Tsum Tsum. He's the fox from Zootopia. The next surprise toy is Applejack from My Little Pony Equestria Girls. Alright, time for the next Play-Doh popsicle. This time it's the purple Play-Doh popsicle. Sweet! Now let's find the matching egg. Bingo! Now let's put the purple Play-Doh into the purple egg. And then we wait for surprise toys. And voila! Let's see what we got. Our first surprise toy is a Mulan action figure. Cool! The next surprise toy is a cute owl. He's got a green bow tie to match his green tail. How adorable! Sweet! Our next Play-Doh popsicle is a green Play-Doh popsicle. Let's find the matching egg. Got it! Put the green Play-Doh inside the green egg. Put the egg back and wait for surprise toys. The first surprise toy is a Rolly figurine. I love the puppy dog pals. The next surprise toy is a Harry Potter MashEms. Wingardium Leviosa. Almost done. Let's move on to the next Play-Doh popsicle. The next one is the orange Play-Doh popsicle. Now let's find the egg that matches color. There it is! Let's put the Play-Doh inside the egg. And now we wait for surprise toys. Awesome! Let's see what we got. Our first surprise toy is a brown puppy from Puppy Dog Pals. How cute! The second surprise toy is a Breezy ZBrush from the Hatchimals Collectibles. Let's move on to our last Play-Doh popsicle. The last Play-Doh popsicle is the pink Play-Doh popsicle. Let's find the last matching egg. Awesome! Put the Play-Doh in the egg. Place the egg down and wait for surprise toys. Nice! Let's check out what we got. The first toy is Rufus from Puppy Dog Pals. The second toy is a Mater's MashEms from the movie Cars. Now that we're done with the Play-Doh popsicles, let's fill up this tray with more surprise toys. Awesome! Let's see what surprise toys we got. Our first surprise toy is a Maj Min surprise toy. Let's open it up. It looks like we got a Maj Min mouse. Awesome! Let's squeeze it. Our next surprise toy is a Zomlings in the Town blind bag. We got a Roland Rock from Season 1. Our next surprise toy is a Hatchimals collectible. Let's check out what's inside. Awesome! We got a Mer ZBrush. Let's move on to the next surprise toy. This time, we got a Scooby-Doo MashEm. Let's open it up. This time, we got Freddy. For our next surprise toy, we got a How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World Mystery Dragon blind bag. Awesome! We got a Light Fury figurine. She's the female version of Toothless. Time for our last surprise toy. And it's a Trolls Hair Huggers. Let's see what's inside. We got an orange troll with long green hair. Snap her hair and it'll snap around. If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See you next time.